Good morning and welcome to this week's stand-up. Today it's going to be a one-man show. Everybody else is in some kind of transition, transit, or movement. So just quickly wanted to give an update on the project, the milestone that we're going after, and a little bit of some upcoming events, including one that's today. So as we do every week, we want to talk a little bit about the state of the project. We've been pushing towards 2,500 commits. 2,500 commits and 100 contributors. We're almost there. We're at 2,469 for commits and 97 contributors, so very close to breaking a couple of key milestones there, which will be great progress. Last week, our stand-up actually coincided with some activities that were happening, and so very excited about that. In fact, in the last week, we had a event on Monday, December 5th, with Magix, with our very own Steve Gordon, one of our greatest and most prolific contributors. And so they had an evening code-a-thon there. We got a number of pull requests, and even more importantly, which is great for us, a number of folks who are carrying forward and doing more contributions and continuing to contribute to the project. Today, in fact, as we speak, in London, Ontario, the London.net developers are hosting a full-day hackathon, so that's going on today. So we look forward to seeing some pull requests from new contributors and want to thank everybody who's there and who's helping make a contribution through the work there, and especially the organizers of that. We know that it's not a very small task to organize a project and get everybody contributing for a day. Speaking of events, we have one also coming up Monday, the 16th of January, and through Tuesday. It's a two-day event, Tuesday the 17th. That's going to have, from our side, Richard Campbell and Bill Wagner. They're going to be at NDC London, and there's going to be a workshop. And so more information on that at ndc-london.com. Again, Monday, January 16th and 17th. As mentioned, we're getting pretty close on a couple of key milestones, but particularly for the project, we have a release coming up in December. We're looking to get to a V1, and it's a hard push, but we're getting great momentum thanks to a lot of different contributors, those 97 we mentioned. If you're looking for issues and what to work for on the project, go into the repository, click on issues, and you can see both, if you filter by milestones for December, what's our highest priority P1 and then down through P3, as well as look for issues that are labeled with the tag jump in. It's JUMP-IN, I believe. And those will be issues that we've tagged that are typically user experience, unit tests, smaller issues and items that'll be easier to jump on. We've gotten through a number of activities. We're working on getting API integration finalized with Get a Smoke Alarm for our first use case with the Red Cross. We've got a number of issues around just some finalization of activities, some work around assigning itineraries, some mapping, SMS and Twilio if somebody's looking to work on that or learn that skill. So we've got a whole bunch of different issues in there, and we've got momentum every day on the project, so hopefully you'll be able to join us. Again, we'll have a stand-up in a week. It'll probably be more than just myself, and what we'll do is we'll check in our progress at that point. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for contributing to the project, and if possible, hop on and grab an issue and help contribute to getting us done. So thank you very much. That's our short stand-up for today. If you've got anything, feel free to tweet us or open an issue even with a question inside of the repository. Thanks, everybody. Have a good weekend.